Okay, Unit 7. Uh, okay. Agreeing, disagreeing versus partly agreeing. These are some expressions that you can use to agree and disagree. Uh, as you can read from here, you can use these expressions to agree. That's right. Absolutely. Exactly. Me too. Yes, I agree. I totally agree. I couldn't disagree more. I see exactly what you mean. You are right. That's a good point. To disagree, you can say, I don't agree. I totally disagree. Absolutely not. That's not right. I'm not sure about that. For partly agreeing, I agree up to a point, but okay? በት እያላችሁ የምታፈርሱበት ነው። ከሀሳብ ጋር እስማማለሁ ነገር ግን ብላችሁ የምታፈርሱበት ነው። I agree up to a point, but I see your point, but that's partly true, but I'm not sure about that. These are mostly used in speaking moment. You can individually practice on this issue. The first one, charity begins at home. Charity begins at home. Do you agree with the saying? For example, should people begin to help their own family members? Why or why not? እስቲ ሀሳባችሁን በዚህ ላይ ታንጸባርቃላችሁ። Do you believe on this point? On this point? Charity begins at home. እስቲ ደገፈ፣ ከዛ ደረጀ፣ ከዛ ሀና ትቀጥያለሽ። ደገፈ በዚህ ሀሳብ ምን ትላለህ? What do you say?
The chair, I didn't hear, just I in now.
Okay, we are talking about agreeing, disagreeing, or partly agreeing. So
About
these are the expressions that we use to agree. These are for not agree. Thirdly, in the third column, partly agreeing.
okay.
So the saying is charity begins at home. Do you agree? Disagree?
I think I will be agree. I think I agree.
You agree. How do you agree?
Yes. Because he said charity is it is the home. That means everybody's home. So maybe, but I'm not sure. But I'm not sure.
You are right, but I need to explain it.
Okay.
Yeah, charity begins at home. Yeah, that's absolute. So how it begins from home?
Okay.
Helping your family members, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. It begins from one's home. You help your family members, your relatives,
Yeah.
your community members, and so on. What about others? درجة. Hello, درجة. Anna. Okay, Dagafa, let's proceed to the second question. It says the rich,
Okay.
the rich should help the poor. Do you agree? If you
Yes.
say yes,
Yes,
why?
I agree.
Why should?
Yes.
Why? Why?
Because he gonna be help different way. That means like someone he gonna work for him, someone he gonna guarding for him, and someone also he gonna do many job. That means is people. He gonna get something from rich person. So that means he helping poor. And he gonna help him also straight by another way also. So that means I will agree. He gonna help him.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This is also the one of the religious teaching. It's also biblical. Helping the poor is good. Good idea. So we should help. We should help the poor. The rich should help the poor. By the way, also the richness doesn't mean only just having the property, but also it needs the heart, a good heart. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
it needs a good heart.
Yeah.
Okay. Activity 7.3. Do you know someone who devoted her or his life for charity? In your area, from your area, do you know anyone?
Share like again, can I have some?
Do you know someone
What kind?
who devoted her or his life for charity?
I don't know.
Um, like for example, from southern part of Ethiopia. Don't you know Abbebech Gobena?
Yes, I know. I heard.
Yeah.
I don't know her straight, but I heard him.
Also, I don't know if, I don't know her physically or face to face, but I heard about her. She devoted her life. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
And also the one Maked, the founder of Macedonia here in Ethiopia, Dr. Biniam Beleta. Do you know him?
I don't know about him.
He's a good. He devoted his or her life. Even
Person.
he came from
Okay.
United States of America. He left his good standardized life in America and came to Ethiopia. Now he's just taking care of the elders.
Yes, I remember that guy. Yes, yes, I know.
You
He's a
know
very
him?
good guy. Yes, I know.
Okay.
Yes, I know him.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
Yes,
So such kinds of people
he's a very
are,
good guy. Yes.
yeah, they are in charity. Uh,
So,
and under section 3, there is reading part. Read the passage and retell its main idea. And read the passage and answer the comprehension questions. Summarize the passage in your own words. Okay. Could you read this passage? Would you read it, brother? Abu or Daggafa? Hello?
It's not good,
እየሰማን ነው
my
ቲቸር።
እንድታነቡት እኮ ነው
እየሰማን ነው።
እንድታነቡት እኮ ነው ይህንን
ኦኬ
ፓሴጅ አንዳችሁ አንብቡት እስቲ። ፓራግራፏን አንዳችሁ አንብቡት።
ኦኬ sometimes ago three was when even for student. Sometimes ago three was an even student with disability problem at work with other student
In our school.
in our school. In our school, my teacher asked me to take part in evaluation.
Volunteerism.
Evaluation. Okay. Helping children with special need. I was happy because I had to
The opportunity.
opportunity to help a student with physical disability with schoolwork,
Art
RT project, and everyday
activities.
art project everyday activities. I realized that the student with physically display enjoyed
Disability.
display enjoyed and learned by working with our teacher.
With us. Our teacher
Showed about how I had help each other at the beginning of the programming. I thought it will be different too with work students having disability, but later I realized the
these unique students
student
taught me about. Okay,
Okay.
good.
Which one?
Okay.
There's
The second reader.
my teacher asked me help believe the student.
Uh-huh.
Student reading stories. I was my favorite activity. I read so many
Activities.
interesting stories. For a student, I also read the story around for other students. I felt good to see the children smiling.
Smile. Mhm. ይሰማል አይደል? ደረጀ ደገፈ ይሰማል? እሺ እኔ ላንብብላችሁ። Sometimes ago, some time ago, there was an event for students with disability problems to work with other students in our school. My teacher asked me to take part. Take part means to participate. በዚሁ እየጨረስን take part means to participate in volunteerism, helping children with special needs. ልዩ እገዛ የሚያስፈልጉ ተማሪዎችን special needs. So I was happy because I had the opportunity to help students with physical disability with schoolwork, at projects and everyday activities. I realized that the students with physical disability enjoyed and learned by working with us. Okay? ምን አለው ማለት ነው? I realized that the students with physical disability enjoyed. Okay? leaned ማለት መደገፍ depended, enjoyed and leaned by working with us. Our teacher showed us about how we had to help each other. Okay? At the beginning of the program, I thought it would be difficult to work with the students having disabilities. But later on, I realized that these unique special students, okay, peculiar students taught me about, okay. My teacher asked me to help a blind student. Reading stories was my favorite activity. Favorite activity means an activity that I like most, that I appreciate. I read so many interesting stories for the student. I also read stories aloud for other students. I felt good to see the children smile. So this is one benefit that we get helping the others. የህፃናትን ስማይል ማየት ቀላል አይደለም። የነዚህ ስማይል ማየት ቀላል አይደለም። ፈገግ እንዲሉ አድርጓል ማለት ነው ተናጋሪው እዚህ ጋር። ሶ that experience has greatly shaped me. Although I'm studying at college now, I still help individuals with special needs. I provide transport support. I organize sports festival. I also mobilize other students to give home-based education to disabled people. ክላስ ውስጥ ብቻ ሳይሆን ሆም ቤዝድ ኤጁኬሽን መስጠት ለእነዚህ ሰዎች ዲዘብልድ ለሆኑት በጣም ጥሩ ነገር ነው ማለት ነው። በጣም ጥሩ ነገር ነው ማለት ነው። ሆም ቤዝድ ኤጁኬሽን ኦኬ። ሶ my experience, which began at school, has greatly changed my way of life. Now, I feel that my life can best be defined when I help others. ሰዎችን በመርዳት ውስጥ ያለ ደስታ ይለዋል። Helping others and collaborating with disabled people is more than anything. I advise you to be open-hearted. ቅድም ያልኩት ነው heart ያስፈልጋል ያልኩት ነው። Open-hearted to people with all kinds of disabilities. አሁን እንዳያችሁት ነው። ከዚህ አንጻር እነዚህ ጥያቄዎችን ትሰራላችሁ ማለት ነው። Number 1, the main idea of the above passage is which one do you think is the right answer? ስለምንድን ነው እያወራ ያለው? ከኤ እስከ ዲ ያለው የትኛው ነው ትክክለኛው?
A.
Disabled children helping themselves አይደለም። working with special needs children
D.
ከነሱ ጋር ስለ መስራት ነው የሚያወራው። ከነሱ ጋር ሰርተን የምናገኘው ጥቅም ነው የሚያወራው። 2, the writer of this article is a dash. College student, teacher, disabled child, mother of a disabled child. He is what? College student. እዚህ ላይ ታገኙታላችሁ። You see, although I'm studying at college now ይላል። አሁን ኮሌጅ ላይ እያጠናው ቢሆንም ይላል። ስለዚህ ሰውየው ኮሌጅ ተማሪ ነው። ኮሌጅ ስቱደንት ነው። ስሪ ቅድም ብያችኋለሁ። ቴክ ፓርት ማለት ፓርቲስፔት ማለት ነው። ቴክ ፓርት ሚንስ ፓርቲስፔት። ይሄም እዚች አካባቢ ነው የምታገኘት። እዚች ጋር ማይ ቲቸር አስክድ ሚ ቱ ቴክ ፓርትን ኢን ቮሉንቲሪዝም፣ በበጎ አድራጎት ማለት ነው። በበጎ አድራጎት ላይ እንዲሳተፍ ጠይቆኛል ነው። መምህሬ ጠይቆኛል። አስክድ ሚ ቱ ቴክ ፓርት ማለት ፓርቲስፔት ማለት ነው። እሺ ፎር ሃው ዲድ ዘ ራይተር ሄልፕ ኢን ዘ ክላስሩም፣ እንዴት ነው ተማሪው ወይም ጸሐፊው ክላስ ውስጥ ላይ ሲረዳ የነበረው?
for Diony.
ሶስተኛ ነው አራተኛ ነው? ኦኬ አራተኛ ነው።
ጥያቄ አራተኛ።
ሃው ዶዝ ዘ ራይተር ሄልፕ ኢን ዘ ክላስሩም የሚለው እዚች ጋ አለ። ስኩል ወርክ፣ አርት ፕሮጀክትስ ኤንድ ኤቭሪዴይ activities. I was happy because I had the opportunity to help students with physical disability with ይላል። የሚረዳቸው በዚህ ነው። በስኩል ወርክ ላይ፣ አርት ፕሮጀክት ላይ፣ ኤቭሪዴይ አክቲቪቲዎች ላይ ሰፖርት ያደርጋቸዋል። ስለዚህ ቢ ታደርጋለች፣ ሴት ናት ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ቢ ነው። the word unique ማለት ዩኒክ ባህሪ ያለው ዩኒክ ባህሪ ያላት ስንል ምንድን ነው? ዲፍረንት የሆነ ማለት ዩኒክ ማለት የተለየ ለየት ያለ ባህሪ ለየት ያለ ነገር ማለት ነው። 6 The writer felt good because she saw the children's smile. አብረው ሰርተው የልጆቹን ፈገግታ አየች። እሱንም እዚች ጋር ታገኛለህ። ስማይል የሚለው እዚች ጋር ፓራግራፍ 2 ላይ የተሰማት ጸሐፊዋ የተሰማት I felt good to see the children's smile ፓራግራፍ 2 ላይ 7 The word favorite means my favorite food ስንል my favorite food, my favorite subject, my favorite ብለን የምናወራው ለየትኛው ነው? Liked more than others ከሌላው አብልጠን የምንወደው ማለት ነው። Liked more than others. My favorite club is Arsenal. My favorite ምናምን እያላችሁ የምታወሩት ነው። My favorite country is South Africa. My favorite region is Durban. ጆሃንስበርግ ትላላችሁ። So liked more than others. 8 Which one of the following is false about the writer? ትክክል ያልሆነው የትኛው ነው? የመጀመሪያው ትክክል ነው። ሄር ላይፍ ሃዝ ቼንጅድ ዱ ቱ ሄር ወርክ ዊዝ ዲዝብልድ ላይፏ ቶታሊ ተቀይረዋል ይላል። ታገኙታላችሁ። ዌይ ኦፍ ላይፏ ተቀይሯል። እዚች ጋር ቼንጅድ ላይፏ ወደ ጥሩ ተቀይሯል። በፊት እንደምታስበው አይደለም። እሺ ሺ ቢሊቭ ዛት ሄልፒንግ አዘርስ ኢዝ ሞር ዛን ኤኒቲንግ ሌሎችን መርዳት ከምንም ነገር እንደሚበልጥ ይህም ትክክል ነው። እሱንም እዚሁ ታገኛላችሁ። ይኸው ሞር ዛን ኤኒቲንግ ሄልፒንግ አዘርስ ኤንድ ኮላቦሬቲንግ ዊዝ ዲስኤብልድ ፒፕል ኢዝ ሞር ዛን ኤኒቲንግ እዚች ጋር ታገኙታላችሁ። ይህም ትክክል ነው። እና ሲም ላይ ሺ አድቫይዝስ ሪደርስ ቱ ቢ ኦፕን ሃርትድ ቱዋርድ ስፔሻል ኒድስ ፒፕል ኦፕን ሃርትድ ይሄ ልባቸው ክፍት እንዲሆን አድቫይዝ አድርጋለች። ይሄም አለ እዚህ አካባቢ ኦፕን ሃርትድ ይኸው ኦፕን ሃርትድ መሆን አለባቸው ይላል። ትክክል ነው። ዲ ላይ ሺ ቲንክስ አዘር ፒፕል ኮላቦሬትስ ዊዝ ስፔሻል ኒድስ ፒፕል አይደለም። አዘር ፒፕል አትጠብቅም ጸሐፊዋ። አንባቢዎች ወይም ራሷ ከራሷ እንዲጀምር ነው የምትለው። ስለዚህ ትክክል ያልሆነው ይሄኛው ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ሪዲንግ ጥያቄ ሲሰራ በዚህ መልኩ ከዛው ከፓሴጁ ነው የሚሰራው፣ የትም አይሄድም ማለት ነው። Let's see these words. ቻሪቲስ ቻሪቲስ የሚባሉት ምን ናቸው? አር ኦርጋናይዜሽንስ በጎ አድራጊዎች ማለት ነው። ቻሪቲ በጎ አድራጊ ድርጅቶች አር ኦርጋናይዜሽንስ ዳት ሄልፕ አዘርስ ፎር ኤግዛምፕል ዩኒሴፍ ዩ ካን ሄልፕ ቻሪቲስ ባይ ጊቪንግ ዩር ታይም ማኒ or things that you own. Charities usually help homeless people. Orphans. Orphans means children who lost their parents. And others who are helpless. Homeless ቤት የሌላቸውን፣ ኦርፋን ወላጅ የሌላቸውን፣ ሄልፕለስ ረዳት የሌላቸውን የሚረዳ ማለት ነው። የሚረዳ ተቋም ነው። Volunteering is when you give your time to help others. Okay. Some ways of volunteering are joining a cleaning campaign in your area and visiting all people to help them or talk to them. Volunteering. በጎ ፈቃደኝነትን የሚጠይቅ ነው ይሄ። Fundraising. Fund means money. Raising, fundraising, when you collect money to help others. That means fundraising. Donating. Donating is when you give your things to help others. መለገስ, donating, መለገስ. So an example of donating is giving your old books to a library. One should be generous. Generous means ቸር, ቸርነትን ይፈልጋል። ቸር መሆንን generous. To give his or her things to others. Okay, activity 7.10. Based on the short reading above, do the following. What is called under each situation? 1. Matheus is always willing to give his time or money. He is dash. ጊዜውንም ገንዘቡንም ሁሌም መስጠት የሚፈልግ ሰው ነው ይላል። ስለዚህ he is dash. he is generous. ለጋስ ነው ወይንም ቸር ነው። ማቴዎስ ለጋስ ወይንም ቸር ነው። he is generous. Number 2, school students are generating money to help the poor by making handcrafts and selling them. የገንዘብ ማግኛ መንገዶችን አመንጭተዋል እነዚህ ተማሪዎች ምን እየሰሩ የእጅ ጥበብ ስራዎችን ሃንድ ክራፍትስ እነሱን የእጅ ጥበብ ነገሮችን ሰርተው እየሸጡ አላማው ድሆችን ለመርዳት ነው። ስለዚህ ምን እያደረጉ ነው ማለት ነው? እነዚህ generating money means fundraising. We call it fundraising. The third one, school students are cleaning their village during their vacation. ይህ ተግባር ምን ይባላል? ላይ ካየናቸው ዴፊኒሽኖች ማለት ነው። ከነዚህ መነሳት ቻሪቲስ፣ ቮለንቲሪንግ፣ ፈንድሬዚንግ ተሰርቷል። ሶስተኛው ምንድነው? ቮለንቲሪንግ ቫኬሽን ጊዜያቸው ነው። ቫኬሽን መውጣት ሲገባቸው ግን ቪሌጁን ክሊን እያደረጉ ነው በበጎ ፈቃዳቸው ማለት ነው። 4, ቮለንቲሪንግ ላይ ምንድነው? when you give your time to help others ታይምህን ነው የምትሰጠው። ጊዜ ሰጥቶ በጊዜው ላይ በስራ የሚሆን በምንም ማገዝ። 4, a group of people established an organization for helping people in need. They established a dash. እነዚህ ምን ይባላሉ? ተራዲኦ ድርጅት ነው የሚባለው። ይሄ ቻሪቲ ኢንስቲትዩሽኖች ተራዲኦ ድርጅት that means ቻሪቲ ማለት ነው። a group of people established an organization for helping people need. They established ምንድነው ያቋቋሙት? መረዳጃ ማህበር የሚሆን መረዳጃ ተቋም የሚሆን ቻሪቲ እንለዋለን። 5, when people have no house to live in, they are called ቤት ከሌላቸው ሰዎች መኖሪያ ቤት ከሌላቸው ለመኖር ቤት ከሌላቸው እነዚህ ሰዎች ምን ይባላሉ? ሆምሌስ ይባላሉ። ስድስተኛው ላይ when you are unable to do things without the help of others, you are unable ከሆንክ ማለት ነው። unable አንድን ስራ ለመስራት unable መስራት የማይችል ሰው ምን ይባላል? disabled አካለ ስንኩል disabled ይባላል ማለት ነው። grammar the past simple and the past continuous past simple የፓስት ሲምፕል ፎርሙላውን የሚያስታውስ አለ? ፓስት ሲምፕል ፎርሙላ የሚያስታውስ ቻቱ ላይ ቻት ግሩፑ ላይ ልጻፍላችሁ። ሲምፕል ፓስት ማለት ሲምፕል ፓስት ፎርሙ ሰብጀክት ፕላስ ቨርብ ቱ ነው። ኤግዛምፕል I joined I went to church last Sunday. ቻቱ ላይ ተመልከቱት። ሲምፕል ፓስት ማለት ፎርሙ ምንድነው? ሳብጀክት ፕላስ ቨርብ ቱ ነው። ኤግዛምፕል I went to church last Sunday. አይ የሚለው ሳብጀክት ወይም ድርጊት ፈጻሚው ነው። went የሚለው ቨርብ ቱ ነው። the V2 form of the verb ነው። ያ ማለት አላፊ ጊዜ የሚያመለክት ነው። ያለፈ ጊዜ ላይ ታይሙ ስፔሲፋይድ ሆኖ መቼ የሚለውን ጭምር ይዞ የሚመጣ ነው። አሁን እዚህኛው ላይ መቼ የሚለው ላስት ሰንዴ ያለፈ ጊዜ ነው። በዚህ መልኩ የሚመጣ ነው ሲምፕል ፓስት። ፓስት ኮንቲኒየስ ደግሞ ፓስት ኮንቲኒየስ እዚሁ ልጻፍላችሁ። ፓስት ኮንቲኒየስ ፎርሙ subject plus was or were plus the ing form of the verb. Example I was teaching you I was teaching you አሁን ይሄ I was teaching you የሚለው ፓስት ኮንቲኒየስ ነው። ወዙ ፓስት ነው። ፎርሙላው ምንድነው? ሳብጀክት ፕላስ was or were። ወዙ I was he was she was ይባላል። ዌር ደግሞ we were they were you were እና ሳብጀክቱ ብዙ ከሆነ ብዙ ቁጥር አመላካች ከሆነ ዌር እንጠቀማለን። ነገር ግን ድርጊት ፈጻሚው አንድ ከሆነ was እንላለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ከዚህ አንፃር እዚህ ጋር the past simple እና the past continuous ላይ the past simple ተመልከቱ። activity 7.11 ላይ read the following story about an Ethiopian woman. ቅድም የጠቀስኩላችሁ ሴት አበበች ጎበና ትባላለች። ስለሷ እዚህ ጋር የተጻፈውን ተመልከቱ። አበበች ጎበና was born እሺ ቨርቡን ብቻ አንደርላይን ላርግ was born in 1938 in a small rural village in Shawa called Shabel. Her father died verb 2 ነው during the second Ethio-Italian war. So her grandparents raised verb 2 until the age of 9. Then she moved to Addis Ababa at the age of 10. She went emblem verb 2 ነው she went to Gishen Mariam Wollo in 1973. At that time there was verb 2 feminine in the area in a feeding center. Abebesh saw a child next to her dead mother. እናቱ የሞተበትን ህፃን ከሬሳ አጠገብ ማለት ነው ህፃን አየች ነው then she took the child along with another orphan. okay took የሚለው አለ እዚህ she took the child along with another orphan to her home in Addis Ababa. In 1 year she brought የሚለው she brought 21 children to her home. ገራሚ ናት በአንድ ዓመት 21 ህፃናትን አመጣች ከዚያስ she founded አጎ ሄልማ የሚባል አበበች ጂ ጎበና ህፃናት እንክብካቤ ልማት ማህበር ይላል እሺ then on July 4 2021 at the age of 83 which is a charity Abbebech Mayer died on July 4 2025 at the age of 83 እድሜ ጠግባ ነው የሞተችው 83 ዓመት ላይ ነው ስለዚህ እነዚህ አንደርላይን የሆኑት እቺ ፓሲቭ ቮይስ ይባላል አሁን was born የሚለው ፓሲቭ ተወለደች ነው አክቲቭ ቮይስ የሚባለው ለምሳሌ ወለደች አክቲቭ ቮይስ ይባላል ተወለደች ፓሲቭ ቮይስ ነው ፎርማቸው ይለያያል አሁን እዚህ ጋር ፓሲቭ ቮይስ ስለሆነ was እና verb 3 ነው ያለው was plus verb 3 ነው ግን አክቲቭ ቮይስ ላይ subject plus verb 2 ነው አሁን እዚህ ጋር ሰብጀክቱ her father ነው died verb 2 እዚህም ጋር grandparents subject ነው raised verb 2 she subject moved verb 2 she subject went verb 2 their empty subject ነው የሚባለው was verb 2 አበበች subject saw verb 2 she subject took verb 2 she subject brought verb 2 she subject founded verb 2 ስለዚህ ይሄ simple past ናቸው died verb 2 የኛው ጥያቄ ነው activity 7.12 የሚለው አንደርላይን የተደረጉና ቦልድ የሆኑት ቨርቦችን ምን አይነቶች ናቸው ነው verb 2 የሚለውን አይተናል ማለት ነው why are they used in this form ጊዜው ያለፈ the time was in the past the action will also happen in the past ለዚህ ያን ይመስላል እነዚህ activity 7.5 individually complete the following dialogue when was Abebesh Gobena born she was born in 1938 ናምሉ እነዚህ ኮንቨርሴሽኖችን የቤት ስራ ልስጣችሁና ይሄ ሰርታችሁ አክቲቪቲ 7.12 የቤት 7.12 ተሰርቷል። 7.15ቱን ሰርታችሁ ኔክስት ታይም እንገናኝ። እነዚህም አለፍ አለፍ እያላችሁ ብታዩ አሪፍ ነው እላለሁ። ለዛሬው ሲምፕል ፓስቷ ላይ እናቆይና ቀጣይ ከፓስት ኮንቲኒየስ እንቀጥላለን ማለት ነው። ጥያቄ ያላችሁ?